Hi, my dear friends. Today also I found another interesting gift for women. It's a cherry blossom set of spa self-care package. We'll see the full description of it. I believe that it is a very nice one as you can see in this video. We'll go to the description of it. It is the gift for women birthday gift spa gift set 10 pieces. It's a Christmas, Valentine's, Mother's Day gift and cherry blossom self-care package. It's about 37 US dollars. We'll see this about this item. It's a perfect gift for women. It's a natural made gift set. Double wall vacuum insulation. Birthday gift for women. The private spa time. I think that you can see a lot of things once you see these nice pictures just for you. Look at these. It also contain a lot of things. Gift box, cherry blossom candle, cherry blossom bubble bath, body lotion, hand cream, cherry blossom soap, bath bomb, pink shower loofah, soft eye mask, wine tumbler, greeting card, everything is included. A very nice one. It is 18 to 8 food grade stainless steel, double wall vacuum insulation, maintain warm for 3 hours and maintain cold for 9 hours. Very nice and interesting one. I believe that with this silk eye mask you can have more fun with this and very interesting one. I believe that you will love this. It's a gift for women, birthday gift, spa gift set. My friends, you can enjoy this one. I invite you to buy a one. Go to my channel description and buy a one. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.